What's going on YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Apple's new MagSafe battery pack. I think that's what it was. Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack. Now, I'm a big fan of battery packs because it allows you to charge your phone when you're away from a wall charger or an outlet. So that's very nice to have. My phone usually lasts most of the day, but it's nice to have this just in case. Just in case you're using it quite a bit throughout the day, or if you're going on vacation and you really need something to help you add some more battery. Apple sells this for $99. That's absolutely an Apple price. $99 for this thing. You even got the MagSafe logo or whatever it is right here. I will link it in the description below so you can check it out yourself too. In all reality, I'll explain what I think of it a little bit later in this video. As you can see by the title, wasn't a big fan of it, but I really enjoy battery packs or having the capability of being able to charge your phone when you're away from an outlet or away from your house or anywhere that you have the capability of charging your phone. $100 is cheaper than Apple's battery pack or the battery cases that they sell. So I bought one for the 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. I even reviewed it and I'll put that up here too. So you can check it out yourself if you want to. But that was $129. So it's $30 cheaper than this little puppy. So with the technology of this and the price point, in all reality, it's a lot cheaper than what they usually did with their battery packs or the cases. Other manufacturers with their battery cases were $100, $100 plus, even the higher end ones. So in all reality, $100 is probably a drop in the bucket for a battery pack. What's really nice about this is it does connect to my phone via magnet. And look, that's really on there. I'm going to try not to press the buttons here, but I'd say it's really on there. Another thing is I use a non-Apple MagSafe case, and it even connects to that, but I wouldn't really risk it putting it in my pocket like that. If I had to, I could, but I'd be very careful removing my phone out of my pocket and that type of stuff. But it is nice to know that this will go through that case just like my MagSafe charger would and connect and hold it just enough so that way it can charge my phone. Now, a little bit about the battery pack here is it only comes in white. That's all it comes in. They don't have any other colors, but it looks pretty good with all the colors that they come out with on the iPhones. And the MagSafe will only work with the 12 and probably the 13s coming out. So any of your 12 lineup phones and then the newer will have the MagSafe ring around it and connect with the magnetic. So that'll be nice for that. And that's what's really nice about this case, or this battery pack. The weight of this thing is over half of how much an iPhone 12 weighs. It doesn't, just holding it doesn't feel very heavy, but if you think about it, over half of how much an iPhone 12 weighs. I think it's 115 grams. This is what this weighs. An iPhone 12, I think, is 170 grams, but 115 grams, that seems pretty heavy for this when you consider how heavy an actual iPhone 12 is. Now, only being white, I don't know if Apple's going to come out with any other colors, but at this point in time, it's only white, and you have to charge it with a lightning cable. So when you plug in your charger to the MagSafe battery pack, there's a charging light indicator that will light up as well. You have to use a lightning cable in this, so that's kind of a little bit, I mean, they stayed with the ecosystem for Apple right now, but they didn't move it to like a USB-C or anything like that. One thing that's really nice is if you have it connected to your phone and then you charge your phone with the lightning connector, it will charge your phone and charge your battery pack. So that's kind of nice. That kind of gives you a little bit a look into the future of what the iPhone might have capabilities of. The iPhone 12 may even be able to be unlocked where it will reverse charge, meaning if you add something to the back of your device, maybe whether it be another phone that has Qi charging or your headphones or earphones or anything else, maybe your Apple Watch, and allow it to charge. Right now, Apple doesn't have that capability, but considering the fact that if I just plug the phone in to an outlet and have the battery backup on it or connected to it, it will charge the phone and then it will charge the battery pack. Now here's why I'm not a big fan of this MagSafe charging pack. I really wish, and this is something Apple would do, of course, but this is why I'm not sold on it and why I'm probably going to return it. For one, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has quite a good battery life. I don't really need it that much. Also, battery pack doesn't have Qi charging. So I can't just take this and put it on a Qi charger for wireless charging and let it charge my phone and the battery pack. The battery pack does not have the capability of being charged by a Qi charger. If it did, that'd be a great selling point. I wish they would have done that. I don't know why they didn't do that. Apple, Tim Cook, or Tim Apple, whatever. Why didn't you do that? Now, the MagSafe charger does have a 1460 milliamp capacity, so it's not going to quite charge your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or Pro Max completely 100%. It's going to range a little bit in size because of the battery sizes in each phone. Now, one thing to consider is it's not going to charge it up a full 1460 milliamps because you're going to lose a little bit, a percentage of charging capabilities through the Qi wireless charging. And that's what's going to happen just using that system. It doesn't matter what it is or how good the system is, you're going to lose some power through that. So there you have it with the Apple MagSafe charging pack. Like I said, most likely going to return this. Not a big fan of it as far as not being able to wirelessly charge the battery pack. I had to have an actual phone cable. I haven't had a phone cable, well, I haven't used a phone cable for my phone unless I'm in my vehicle. I haven't used the cable, the new cable for my phone since wireless charging was out for the iPhones. I use a wireless charger for everything. Yeah, I can use this, I know, but I still got to plug this in to charge it. That sucks. And in all reality, that's the biggest reason why I'm going to return this. This product might be for you. I don't know, that's up to you. But in all reality, that's something that I don't like. Either way, if this charging pack is for you, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. As well as I'll leave a link for a couple others that are highly recommended, that are third parties. They're not Apple's, and they will work very similar. And sometimes they have a larger charging pack, or at least milliamps capability. So I'll leave those in the description below so you can check those out if you want to. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comments, or opinions about this, put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.